Hey guys, this is Fundo on Nchupagamo. Tonight on Imbewu, please like, comment, and subscribe. Everyone is shocked to hear that Zimele Pengu and Figile are still alive, and it seems like everyone is shocked that Figile will become the owner of Msam when 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 Tusheleni and Nomsa selling it on Figile. And the Peng family are surprised and shocked about Figile to own Msam. They think that Figile come back for a revenge, while Pexisa is facing with two ladies. They want him, and it seems like Pexisa does not have any point when Mbali invite him on the dinner, and Kulego prepared to go for his child Nosy. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.